Ever wondered how to find the rate of change of a function that's a fraction? Today, we're diving into the quotient rule, a powerful tool for differentiating expressions like this one. The quotient rule states that the derivative of u over v is v times u prime minus u times v prime, all over versus squared. First, we identify our top function u and our bottom function v. Next, we find the derivative of u, which we call u prime. Then, we find the derivative of v, which is v prime. Now we substitute these values into the quotient rule formula. Let's simplify the numerator step by step. And there you have it. The derivative of x cubed minus 2 over x squared plus 1 is x to the fourth plus 3 x squared plus 4x, all over x squared plus 1 squared.